Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jamal, and in today's video, I'm going to optimize my sister's channel in order to help her grow her YouTube channel the way I grew my YouTube channel. And if you want to learn how to do it, stick around to the end of the video so that you can understand exactly what I did in order to grow my YouTube channel up to 13,000 subscribers. So if you guys can see right here on the dashboard, this is my sister channel dashboard. She just recently uploaded a video. This was about 10 days ago. Right now she's sitting at 23 subscribers. She just started this channel, but I just want to show you guys her channel is based off travel nursing, travel vlogs, things in that nature. And just to let you guys know, this community actually is a big thing. A lot of people get into YouTube to actually do their YouTube on their life, on their daily life, and it's not a bad thing. It's actually a good thing because you're actually giving people an insight to your life. So I would say it's a win. I'm more into how-to videos and passive income and stuff like that, but that's okay because everybody have their lane, everybody have things that they want to do. But I just actually wanted to show you guys in this video how I'm going to optimize my sister channel in order for her to gain more views and more subscribers, just so that YouTube can push her videos out and they can understand exactly what her channel is about. Because a lot of people create channels, but they don't understand exactly how to optimize the channel. There's a lot of things that goes into YouTube, but it's not that difficult. It's actually very easy once you actually take the time and sit down and watch some videos on YouTube explaining exactly what you need to do in order to optimize your channel, whether it's make beats, whether it's travel, whether it's entrepreneurship, whether it's drop ship, whether it's finance, personal finance, crypto. It's so many things that you can bring to YouTube, that you can generate revenue. But the first thing you have to understand about that is actually optimization, optimizing your channel to the fullest potential to make sure that you got it down packed. So this video is going to be a little long, so just sit back, relax, make sure you got some time, enjoy this video. This is all authentic, this is real. This is not buying bots or anything like that. This is not boosting the views or anything like that. This is a new channel that I actually want to show you guys, especially a lot of YouTubers out there that's trying to figure out how can I get my channel to elevate, how can I get it to stick out and make people pay attention. So y'all just sit back, relax, and check out this video. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to the analytics. All right, so right now, as you guys can see, in the last 48 hours my sister channel only got 7 views. It's okay, shout out to my sister. Hey sis, when you see this video, just understand that I'm just trying to show people how to build their channel, and you are the perfect fit. I could have did this on a whole nother channel, but I wanted them to show that I actually know what I'm doing. So yeah, let's get into it. So right here, her views are down, watch time is down, and this is only happening because right now she's not really how can I say it? There's a rule that you have to do, a 33 rule. She got about 23 videos. She's almost there, and 33 videos will help with watch time. If you can upload 100 videos when you first start a YouTube channel, great. Most people actually got it where they can do that because you got hundreds of videos on your phone that you can turn into shorts, which I'll be talking about in another video. But in this video, I just want to show you guys how to optimize the YouTube channel and how to be able to gain more views and bring in more likes and stuff like that. So we're gonna go over here to content. We will go down to a video that is got 122 views. Okay, so we'll go over here to the analytics. All right, so that's great. Okay, off these 3 subscribers, 121 views, watch time 3.5. That's pretty decent. That's pretty good for a new channel. The channel is brand new, if I'm not mistaken. It was started this year, if I'm not mistaken. Let me double check. Matter of fact, a year ago, so 2022. But ultimately, it's a brand new channel. So if you guys can see right here, it's a prank. It was a prank on my mom, and it was pretty good. So right here, guys, look, check this out. This video, it actually did really well. So that just tells you right there that people continue to watch it. Now, most videos when YouTube put it out, it drops. It's going to drop right here regardless. That's just going to happen, okay? But as it continue to go, that's a good thing, so the retention rate that's actually good. So as Jasmine continues to upload videos, the retention rate will continue to go because people will continue to watch videos, therefore liking, therefore pushing it out. Now these little dips, they're okay, but at the same time, it could be better. It could be, the arrow could go down and then just straight across, without all the ups and downs and everything like that. But that's okay because people are still watching. The retention rate is good. So Jasmine, congratulations on that. You're doing something good. So let's go into optimization. We're gonna go into the settings real quick. We're gonna go into channel. So right here is the keywords, right? We have the keywords, and we'll try type in another keyword such as nurse, travel, traveling. Traveling. Let's see, vlogs, day to day. Let's put life vlog. Now the thing is, there's another thing that you guys want to be mindful of. Let me go ahead and save that. Is vidIQ. We're going to continue to sign in as her. Now vidIQ is not sponsoring this video or anything like this. I just want to show you guys, this is something that you guys can use that will definitely help you. This is what every YouTuber out there is using. There's a lot to go into this, but I will explain this in another video. I will go more in depth into it just so you guys can understand exactly what it is. But right now, I just want to show you guys something such as a keyword. We're going to go here. We're going to type in nurse, and we're going to type that. Boom. Here we go. Search volume 97,000. Competition is very high. Now this is only because I typed in nurse, but if I put in travel nurse, travel, there we go. Okay, so the competition is very low. So this actually is somewhere that most nurses can get into this and actually thrive off this, just because the simple fact is the competition is low. So these are the things that are actually being searched on travel nurse and travel nurse pay, travel nurse salary, how to become a travel nurse, how much I make as a travel nurse, how to find travel nurse housing, how to host travel nurse, top paid travel psychiatrist, travel nurse assignment, staff agency. These are things that people are actually looking up on a daily basis, monthly basis. And here you have other YouTubers out here actually showing how it is out here. So this is actually a good field, and there's not that many YouTube accounts out there. So this community right here is actually helping each other build their YouTube, because there's information out there that everybody don't know, or something that somebody may want to find out. So you guys can actually start making YouTube videos based off these questions, such as how to become a travel nurse, how to understand what stipend is, and all those type of things that travel nurses have to deal with as they're doing their job, which is a lot. So you guys can tap into that. Relative keywords are right here. This is vidIQ. This is something that you guys can go on. I'll leave the link in the description so that you guys can actually sign up for it yourself if you want to. But like I said, this is something that's very important for you guys to understand. Her channel is not monetized yet. It will be once she reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watched. So you guys stay tuned in. So when it comes down to the optimizing her channel, so I just want to use something like, let's see, we'll go to here. We'll go back here. Okay, so go to details. Okay, so here we go. It says, I told my mom I lost $300, prank, she almost cried. Now, okay, the title is pretty cool. It's straight to the point. You're telling the person what it is. But let me just show you something real quick. And this is just something that I want to show you guys. Okay, so right here, when you go to dashboard on vidIQ, you'll go up to the top and you'll click on AI coach. Okay, so it has this thing right here where it says welcome to personal AI coach. You can approve this title. Okay, we can sit here and click on that, and we can go improve this title, and there you have it. It'll tell you like, hilarious prank, pretend to lose my mom $300. Her reaction will leave you in stitches. I don't know what the stitches part about. I guess you laugh so hard, but hilarious prank, pretending to lose mom $300. $10. That's perfect to me. I will click on that, and I'm going to change that. Jasmine, I did it. You'll love it, trust me, it'll help. This is optimization at its finest. Okay, so right here it says description. Hey y'all, I decided to prank my mom and tell her I lost her money. Watch entire video, no skips. That's great. Okay, now we can go ahead and go right here. And another thing is, I told my sister about this a while back. This is very important for the YouTubers to put into their description, because when somebody clicks on this link right here, this will automatically go ahead and make them go back to your channel, and it'll make them subscribe. So it'll take them to the home page and it'll make them subscribe. So like I said, that's very important. But we'll go ahead and just copy this real quick, and we'll go over to Chat GPT. This is actually great, you know, right here too. I want to talk about it. I talked about it in another video. I actually use Chat GPT to do YouTube automation, which is going to be another thing that I bring to you guys on my channel. So be sure to stay tuned in. Be sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notification, because I got a lot of information I want to give you guys. So as we go right here, we paste that in there. And matter of fact, I'm going to backspace that real quick and create me a description about, okay, I typed that so wrong, I'm so sorry guys, but Chat GPT will be able to see that and fix it, you know. So right here it says, hey y'all, welcome to my channel where we love having fun, spreading laughter. In this video I decided to pull an epic prank on my mom that will leave you on the edge of your seat. Picture this: I sneak up on my mom and break the news that, you know. Now the thing is, I can go ahead and copy this, you know, copy this or whatnot, take it, you know, go back to YouTube and, you know, paste that right there. And now this is more optimized. This is optimization. Now she can change this up, you know, when she reads over it and everything, but this is what optimization is. This is optimizing the YouTube video that you uploaded to YouTube to the T, so that YouTube understands exactly what the video is about, so it knows what audience to push the video to in order for you to gain more views and likes and subscribers. So she has a playlist, it's in pranks, that's great. The thumb title, now the thumbnail, excuse me, can be better. We'll go over that in another video as well. But as you continue to scroll down, you know, and you go down here further, now you can only do all this on a desktop, so be sure that you're doing everything that you're doing on your desktop. You cannot do this on a phone, it won't work. Okay, so we went down here, we added some tags, which is already great. You got pranks, you got funny video. Now before we continue this, I want to show you guys this. It's called TubeBuddy. Now I'm going to go to my YouTube channel just so that my sister can actually sign up through my account. So we'll go here, we'll go here. Okay, so that video didn't have matter of fact, it probably do. Let me see. Yeah, so it has TubeBuddy, right? So I click on TubeBuddy and I install for free. This is great. This man, Nick Neum, oh man, amazing guy. Like, really know YouTube to down to the T. I definitely advise you guys to download TubeBuddy on your Google Chrome on your desktop. Have it. It's very important to have. You can turn it on. It is very great to have, guys. You know, so definitely, you know, sign up for TubeBuddy. You know, you can sign up with my link. I'll leave a link in the description, or you can sign up by yourself. It's up to you, truly. So we'll go ahead and sign into this. We'll optimize the channel. Okay, so now we're inside. Now this is TubeBuddy. This is great to have. Her channel is added. Now there's more things that I'll go into this. I'm going to do separate videos on all this so you guys can understand exactly what it is. But for now, we're going to go back to here, and we have our title, we have our description, and now we go back to the tags. Now this is very important because this is where not Chat GPT, but this is where vidIQ comes back into place. And this is tags. We can ask for tags for pranks. Okay, so this is perfect. You know, you go ahead and copy this. You know, you can copy all this, and you go right back here. Okay, and matter of fact, you wouldn't copy it that way, but individually, excuse me, you can copy it that type of way. Individually, you can copy it. So, you know, and these are tags that are just straight to the point. In order to optimize the particular video, in order to make sure that YouTube push the video out to the correct audience, in order for you to make sure that you're able to bring in the right crowd of people, should we say. So that's all that I'm doing right now is simply taking tags that people would search on YouTube or Google, because Google is YouTube, in a sense, when it comes down to the search engine. So I just want to give you guys the raw cut. There's so many things out there that people show you, and I just want to show you guys this because it's very important. You know, I just want to show you guys this real quick. If you made it to this part of the video, we're almost 16 minutes in. This is amazing. I appreciate it. But I'm just going to wrap it up by saying that this is a very important thing to do, to tag your video in order for YouTube to know exactly where the video should go to. And then we'll scroll down here, and we got it in comedy, which is great. And we'll go back up here. We'll save this. You know, we'll go ahead and refresh this real quick, because now we added TubeBuddy as an extension, and we also got vidIQ. We'll go ahead and sign in. And now this is going to open up a whole different type of analytics to her YouTube. And this is very important. TubeBuddy is very important to have if you are a YouTuber. Do not continue a YouTube channel if you do not have TubeBuddy. Okay? So now that her channel is connected to her TubeBuddy, we also have vidIQ that we also need to download the extension to. So these two extensions you definitely need in order to optimize your YouTube channel. This is very important. Okay, so vidIQ will take you back here at the install, and it'll tell you all about it, what to do. It'll tell you as far as the daily things. Now, we're not going to get too much into that because copyright purposes. But like I said, the most important thing to do is optimize your channel, optimize your videos as you upload them. And we'll just go back to settings because I want to show you guys another thing. When it comes down to basic information, you can put in a title that will be default, but I recommend not to put anything in there. As far as description, you can put your channels to any other channels. You can put links, you can put any other information that you want your viewers to know about the video. You know, it can be by default. But as far as giving them the description, you probably want to go back to ChatGPT and give them that. So tags, you can make it unlisted, private, public. That is a very important thing. When you're uploading a video, make sure you put it unlisted so that YouTube, this is when you're monetized, so that YouTube can actually make sure that they can monetize the video without adding limited ads on it, without stopping it from generating the maximum revenue that it can. Tags is just something simply as you put in your YouTube name, you know, just doing something like that. Just doing something like that, adding the tags in. The permission is the owner of the account. The community is any moderators. You don't need that necessarily until you start building on top of your YouTube channel and you have that strong audience that will engage with your YouTube channel in that type of way. Another thing is when it comes down to, let's see, I want to find a video that's directly to, yeah, this is good right here. Now, a lot of people will ask, do you need to have a long video? You can if you want to. It's up to you entirely, but that's pretty much that. And I will be giving you guys more information in the next video. That is my video for today. If you liked it, if you enjoyed it, hit the like, subscribe, turn on post notification, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.